Welcome to our roundup of the best heat guns of 2026. Versatile, powerful tools that are useful for everything from stripping paint and loosening rusted bolts to shrinking tubing, bending plastics, thawing pipes, removing flooring, softening adhesives, and handling countless repair and crafting tasks. Whether you're working on home improvement projects, automotive repairs, electronics, DIY crafts, or professional construction jobs, a reliable heat gun gives you precise control over temperature and airflow, so you can complete tasks efficiently and safely. Today's models come with adjustable heat settings, multiple nozzle attachments, improved airflow control, ergonomic designs, and built-in safety protections. In this list, we've selected some of the top options based on performance, durability, ease of use, and overall value. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the AliExpress Hot Air Gun Kit. This model is a practical choice for users who want a versatile, ready-to-use kit for general projects. It typically includes several nozzle attachments that help concentrate or spread heat depending on your task. With adjustable temperature settings, it's suitable for stripping light paint, removing stickers, loosening glue, crafting, and other household repairs. The balanced grip and lightweight design make it comfortable to use for extended periods, while consistent heat output ensures reliable performance for everyday jobs around the house or garage without any sudden drops in temperature. Next up is the DIFILD heat gun, built for users who need stronger performance for tougher applications. With higher wattage and multiple heat levels, it can handle more demanding tasks such as removing thick paint layers, softening strong adhesives, shaping PVC pipes, or working on renovation projects. Airflow control allows for better precision, and built-in overheat protection helps maintain safety during long sessions. Its durable housing and comfortable handle design make it a dependable option for both serious DIYers and professionals who need steady, powerful heat that performs consistently job after job. Moving on, the Seacone 350W Mini Heat Gun is ideal for smaller, detail-focused tasks. Its compact and lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, which is especially helpful for craft work, heat-shrinking tubing, soldering, or light electronics projects. While it's not designed for heavy paint removal or large construction tasks, it excels in precision applications where control matters more than raw power. For hobbyists and occasional users, this mini heat gun offers convenience and consistent performance in a compact form that's perfect for small workspaces. Stepping up in versatility, the Wagner Spraytech Heat Gun Kit is a well-known option that combines solid performance with thoughtful design. It often comes with multiple attachments that expand its usability across a wide range of tasks, including paint stripping, caulk removal, thawing frozen pipes, and preparing surfaces. The adjustable temperature control allows you to fine-tune heat levels for delicate or heavy-duty jobs, while steady airflow ensures even results. Its ergonomic grip and durable construction make it suitable for regular, long-term use without sacrificing comfort during extended sessions. Taking the top spot is the Seacone 1800W Heavy-Duty Heat Gun, which stands out for its strong power output and reliable performance. With high maximum temperatures and variable airflow settings, it's capable of handling demanding projects such as stripping stubborn paint, bending thick plastics, removing flooring, loosening heavy adhesives, and performing automotive repairs. It heats up quickly and maintains stable output throughout extended use. The sturdy build, stable base for hands-free operation, and integrated safety features provide added confidence when working on larger or more complex tasks. For users who want maximum versatility and performance, this heavy-duty model delivers impressive results every time. Each of these heat guns serves a different type of user. The AliExpress Hot Air Gun Kit is great for everyday home projects, while the DIFILD heat gun offers more power for renovation work. The Seacone 350W Mini Heat Gun is perfect for detailed, smaller tasks. The Wagner Spraytech Heat Gun Kit provides balanced performance with useful accessories, and the Seacone 1800W Heavy-Duty Heat Gun delivers top-tier strength and reliability for serious projects. That wraps up our list of the best heat guns of 2026, from compact, precision tools to powerful models built for demanding jobs. Whether you're upgrading your workshop, tackling a renovation, or adding a reliable tool to your DIY setup, there's a strong option here for your needs. Let us know in the comments which heat gun you'd choose, share your favorite use case or any questions you have, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next project faster, easier, and more efficient with the right heat gun.